I'm going to be testing out Gua Sha. It's a Chinese method of lifting and sort of exercising the skin. So I'm using a bit of my toner. It's just like a facial refresher spritz. Neck. Then I'm using my favorite essential oil. It's hydrating oil that my sister got me. Osea, if I'm saying it right. And then it's Osea. You're going to see it backwards because of the way I have the camera. So I do a couple of pumps. I'm going to pat it in your skin. Okay. And this is my Gua Sha tool. And we're going to just do some lifting. So I'm going to start with the chin. I was told to hold the mechanism as flat as possible when you're using it. So I'm using the widest part because they come in all kinds of shapes. So this is what you're going to do. And you're going to do this 5 to 10 times, how many effort times you want. And you're going to give it a little wiggle at the end. Okay. 5, and like I said, go for 10. And the pressure is about medium. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is under this cheek, the muscle under the cheek area. And so I'm going to really press in there. Kind of, you're kneading out all the little knots, just like you would on your leg or your back. Those muscles. Okay, next I'm going to do this cheek area on top. All the way up the side of your head and into your temple. Give it a little wiggle. Now I'm going to do it under the delicate eye area. So this, you're going to use light pressure. Very light, because that's obviously the tender part of your face and you don't want to damage that skin. Now, I'm going to do the eyebrow area. So you want to be right underneath the eyebrow bone. Now I'm going to do this region of my forehead. Now, if I've done this right, and I think I have, you'll notice that this side of my face appears lifted. Like you can look at my eyebrows and look at that. It's lifted higher. Like my cheek is lifted higher and my eyebrow. It's like crazy. Oh my God. Now I'm going to do like the clavicle, and I'm going to go up and be a little bit behind the ear in this area. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go up. Oh, it actually feels really relaxing. Oops, almost dropped it. Now, I'm going to do this region of my neck. Now, using this nice little U shape, we're going to do the middle of the neck, working up the bones in this area. Doesn't feel too good because I don't like anything touching my sternum and my neck bones, but beauty knows no pain or discomfort. I'll speed this up too, as you've noticed. Okay, now we're going to repeat all that we've done on this side of the face. And I'm going to add in the back of my neck, where you're also going to use this U shape to go up the back of your neck, and use this to straddle your spine. Oh, this also feels good. Okay, so there you have it, folks. My testing out Gua Sha. I'll put in the information below where I've got this particular one, but You can pretty much find these all over the internet in different sizes and colors. This is like the rose quartz. But thanks for watching, and I hope Gua Sha works for you too. It's very relaxing, and I feel like it's sort of like Pilates for your face.